What's up, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader, here with an amazing video with one of my most dedicated students. His name is Roland. He started with just $4,000. He's actually closing in on $700,000 as of this moment. You might have seen some previous interviews with him when he was up 100,000, 200,000. It just keeps going. He's got a beautiful family and he's got a great strategy. Check this out.
Got me into trading in the first place was just my desire to supplement my income. I had just had my second child, my daughter, and I was working for my dad at the time, and I was just trying to supplement my income. That led me to basically Google searching, how to day trade, which led me to Tim. And, at first, same as a lot of people, I was kind of thinking like too good to be true. Maybe, whatever it was, something rubbed me wrong. But then I kind of, dug into it. I saw some of his other success stories and gave it a shot. And that's kind of all she wrote. The second I got into day trading, I was hooked. There was nothing else I could see myself doing. The way trading's changed my life, I can't even begin to quantify. It's changed it in every way possible. I was going to go to law school. There were some other, and some other things I was not looking forward to, but, to support my family and provide what I needed to, I, was going to. But once I became profitable trading, I actually started making more than my boss, who happened to be my dad at the time. And then I quit my job, and ever since then I've been a full-time trader. And I mean, it's given me freedom to spend time with my family. It's given me the freedom to choose my own hours. I'm obviously making quite a bit more money than I ever have in my life. So in every way possible, trading's changed my life.
What's up, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader, here with an amazing video with one of my newest six-figure students. He just graduated college, already made over $100,000. Pretty amazing. He is wise beyond his net worth. He is on the verge of doing some great things. Check this out.
So it's been quite a journey trading for the past 3 years in the challenge. For the first 2 years, a lot of it was a demoralizing process because it was up $1,000 one day and down $1.50 the next day. And fighting through that mentally was really tough, but I always knew deep down that it just took a couple trades to really make the difference in my account, and it was just being prepared and ready to attack when, I was ready to make a move on them, and I was confident enough to do so. And that really happened after 2.5 years of trading. I looked at my stats on Profitly, and it was very clear to me that I was losing on my longs and profiting amazingly on my shorts. So much so that it made no sense for me to long anymore, and because that's where all my losses were. And so I specifically cut out all the longs out of my trading and focused in on shorts. And once I became a short bias trader and picked that bias, a lot of things started making more sense. Price action became more understandable. I understood the psychology of where the shorts were at, and I understood the psychology of where the longs were at, and everything just kind of tied together in a really nice way. And so once I picked the bias of shorting, I was able to go through the different short strategies and pick which one best emulated not only my personality, but the ability that I had. Trading as a student as well as a full-time trader, a part-time trader and student, I had to adhere to my student schedule as well as my trading schedule. So some shorting setups didn't necessarily work for my schedule. So I had to go in and analyze the different shorting setups and hone in on one or two that I think really correlated well with my lifestyle and my personality, and that's what really started making a difference in my account.
What's up, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader, here with an amazing video with my newest millionaire student as of this moment. His name is Mark Crook, just passed $1 million. He watched all of my video lessons 3 times. He's the one who actually tagged and categorized everything. He's got a great story. Check this out.
So I got into trading because I was ready to make a change in terms of my longer-term career goals. I always had a passion for the stock market, but never really knew how it all worked from the day trading side. And when I came across Timothy Sykes trading programs and DVDs and so on, I really got excited, and I knew that this was an opportunity to really change course and try to do this full time. And ultimately, I knew that this was something that I could sustain over a long period of time. And as I said, the passion for the markets and really capitalizing on opportunities when they showed up, that really excited me and ultimately got me to where I am today.
Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.